hundreds of riders gathered along Marilake Highway in Rizal on Sunday for a unity ride. Dubbed Make Marilake Road Safe Again, the event aimed to raise awareness about road safety. This comes after a series of accidents, including the recent death of a motovlogger. Organizers imposed a strict speed limit of 50 kilometers per hour to ensure the safety of all participating riders. Senator J.V. Ejercito also participated in the event alongside personnel from the Land Transportation Office, PNP Highway Patrol Group, and the Rizal Police. Ejercito appealed to riders not to use the highway as a racetrack, stressing the importance of safety and responsible riding.
Medyo matagal na rin hindi nakapunta rito, 3 years, dahil sa takot ko, hindi natin dapat gawing racetrack ang Marilake.
Ayan. So, ano naman to para to make sure, pakita nila na hindi naman lahat ng riders ay irresponsible.
Actually, madaming mga riders dyan na very disciplined and they belong to groups. May training session pa yan, di ba? And then, meron silang safety seminars once in a while to remind them and the new riders. Yun lang nga, ang daming mga riders din kasi na pag inaddress na to ng LTO, LTFRB yung issues nito, na pag kumukuha ng license, minsan atras-abante na lang ginagawa sa motor.
Or minsan nga daw, through fixer. So wala nang training
so the
talaga.
person who just bought a motorcycle, kukuha ng license para magamit niya yung motor niya, hindi niya alam yung pros and cons of motor. For example, a case in point, nasa highway ka, tayo, na-experience natin to. We are driving. And then nasa right lane tayo when we're passing into the lane. Bigla na lang may susulpot na rider from your opposite side. Yung blind spot, kumbaga kasi may blind spot ang driver eh. Di ba kasi at the other side, biglang iikot siya dito, pipina sa'yo. Siyempre, pag tatamaan mo siya, magaang lang yung motorsiklo eh. Masasaktan siya. Sino may kasalanan? Yung driver. So things like that, yung mga basic education ng motorcycle riders.
Diba, naalala ko, pinag-uusapan natin din before, yung mga riders, motorcycle riders, dapat alam nila yung paano yung signal. Kasi diba, pag kotse tayo, meron tayong ilaw, to left, to right, etc. Pero sa mga motorcycle rider, medyo may pagkaiba yung signal.
No, meron din silang, may signal lights din naman sila sa ilaw. Meron silang standard lights. Pero in case na hindi sila makikita, kasi sometimes mga umuulan, madilim, meron silang hand gestures na tinuturo na ginagamit rin ng mga cyclists. Pero mostly mga cyclists, iba yan. Kasi yung cyclists, wala naman baterya yung bike eh. So they have to do that. But the motorcycles, now they're equipped with that. Naman. It's just that sometimes hindi nila nagagamit eh. Bigla na lang, they will bank into your lane. They'll cut you into your lane.
Magugulat ka na lang.
Tsaka makikita may misconception ng mga ibang riders sa Commonwealth. Kunyari, yung motorcycle lane, akala nila sila lang ang pwede dumaan doon.
Hindi pala pwede.
Yung pala,
pwedeng i-share.
pag may broken lines, pwede dumaan ng isang car to merge into another lane. Gagalit sila pag pumapasok ka sa kanila.
At nalalaman mo yan through the training na dapat na pinapasukan nila sa pagkuha ng lisensya.
Hindi nila pinapasukan.
Minsan nga dahil nga sa fixer, okay na agad may lisensya na sila. So iniiwasan nga nila yung accident nila sa Marilake Highway dahil talagang medyo yung curve niya, 'di ba, yun yung delikado.
No, it's a very wide highway kasi, and then since it's very wide, ibang mga enthusiasts humahataw doon at nangangarera doon. And then you have sometimes may kasama sila who are not riding, nakaabang lang sila kunyari sa curve. And then itong mga enthusiasts na may social media accounts, hahataw, papakuha sila ng video sa
para for the content.
For content. Yan ang mga tao for content.
Pero yun ang iwasan nila. And I think pinashow cause order din yung lalaki nag-ala Superman sa Davao. Naalala mo yun? Last week ata yung report natin para to explain. Kasi otherwise, kung hindi maayos yung explanation niya o hindi tanggapin ng kinauukulan, matanggalan siya ng lisensya dahil dun sa pagpapasikat na ginawa. Diba?
Sa totoong buhay po, walang Superman ha. Kaya huwag kayo mag-a-attempt mga kalokohan na ganyan.
But hopefully by doing this, mabawasan na, diba, yung aksidente dyan sa Marilake Highway.
Well, we cannot totally, eradicate
accident is accident. But
no, we can, isabi mo nga, mabawasan. The keyword is to lessen senseless accidents na kaya naman
Kasi tulad nun, kung nag-exhibition ka lang ng mga para
yung sa video,
pwede mong iwasan
yung sa video, yung nag-exhibition, yung gumanon, di ba? Parang, wow. Ay, nako, nakakainit ng ulo. Pero that's why everyone has to stay safe all the time. Err on the side of safety.
Safety.